Zion, Alam, Shizan.
Yarkat.
They come from different languages and they may be different in pronunciations, but all lead to one translation: nature.
Nature stands as the ultimate garden of the green. Green symbolizes not just the color, but also the essence of life within our natural environment, like forests, meadows, wetland, and beyond.
Do you know nature is a phenomena of the physical world collectively, including plants, animals, landscape, and other features and product of the earth? Alicia, what about car or building? Are they part of our nature too? Oh no, Dayani, they are not. Those are the creation of human. Hence, they are not part of our nature. Anything that was made and created by Allah is our nature. I was wondering, if we live without animals and plants, what will happen to us? What will the earth look like? Maybe it will probably look like Mars, deserted, boring, and plain. I like your curiosity and your imagination. Well, unfortunately, without it, no one will survive. And do you know why? Because plants produce oxygen and it's very essential for human and animal. What? We are all gonna die? Hey, what are you guys doing? Why are you throwing rubbish and breaking the twig? Just because, go away and mind your own business.
Yeah, let's do whatever we want.
As you all know, humans always being the main perpetrator of the nature destruction. What they are doing just now is one of the main things that can destroy nature. Throwing rubbish is one of the pollution. Can anyone please elaborate and share with me how and why pollution is bad? Well, pollution is a threat to us all as it brings havoc on the ecosystem. It's endangering our biodiversity too, from air, water, soil to light pollution. The consequences are really far-reaching. Yes, that's right. Pollution hinders photosynthesis through acid rains. Also, it's disrupting food chain. It can also endanger the aquatic species and can compromise drinking water quality.
Besides pollution, there are other activities that contribute to the destruction of our nature. Deforestation is one of the examples. Clearing forests for agriculture, logging, and urban development reduces habitats for wildlife, contributes to climate change, and disrupt ecosystem. Overfishing, mining, and urbanization are some other factors that degrade the nature quality.
How can we keep our nature clean?
Fret not, buddy. You can recycle, compost, increase greenery in surrounding, and also use environmental friendly products. Like this. These are all good for our nature.
Why is it so important for us to keep our nature clean? Is there any differences if we keep our nature clean? I don't think so.
Indeed, my friends, there are many differences. Do you know that by keeping our nature clean can actually improve our health and well-being? For instance, good air quality, water quality, and food supply. Besides that, it also gives good biodiversity because many medicines are derived from plants, animals, and microorganisms. Biodiversity loss could mean loss of potential treatments for disease. Hence, without them, we are all dead by now.
Now we are all understand why we have to keep our mother nature clean all the time.
That's all from us. Hope you enjoy.
one last thing.
Tell them, Dayani.
It is Allah who made for you the earth a piece of settlement and the sky a ceiling and form you and perfect your form, provide you with a good thing. That is Allah, your Lord, Lord of the world. Surah Al-Ghafir, verse 14, 64. So please, do not destroy our nature.